Okay, so today we're going to have a look at taking a 2-digit away from a 3-digit when there is exchange involved, okay? So I'm going to need to write my place value, so my hundreds, tens and ones, because my biggest number has got hundreds in, so we need to make sure we've got the place value written for all of the numbers. So I'm going to write my hundreds, my tens and my ones. So step number 1 is to put the 2 numbers in underneath the place value. So you've got 372. Take away, I'm going to put my takeaway sign over here to remind us of what we're doing. Take away 34. Okay, and then you're going to draw your 2 lines for your answer section there. So step number 2, once you've written that in place, those 2 numbers, you're then going to take away the ones first. So if we have a look, we've got 2, take away 4, okay? Now we can't do that because if you've got 2, you can't take 4 away from it. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to go next door to the next column, which is our tens column, and take a 10, okay? So 7 tens goes down to 6 tens and we've taken a 10. So that now makes our calculation 12 take away 4. Well, we can do that, and that is 8. So make sure you write the answer directly underneath. You're lining up and keeping it in the column it should be in. Okay, so then we've got 6 tens take away 3 tens. So we're doing 6 tens take away 3 tens, which gives us 3 tens. Okay, and then if you go to the hundreds column, you then do 300 take away nothing. Okay, so we've got 3 hundreds take away 0 hundreds, and that is just still 300, because if you've got 300 and take nothing away from it, it's still going to stay as 300. And then you must remember to write your answer back in after the equal sign in the calculation. So 338. Okay, I'm going to show you another calculation where it involves exchanging 2 or more columns. So if I've got 312 take away 58. Okay, let's have a look at that one. Again, place value in here, hundreds, tens and ones. So I'm going to put my 2 numbers in, which is my first step. So 312 take away. Make sure you don't make that mistake, and you make sure you line up your 2-digit in the correct column. Well, this is 58, so we know it's got 5 tens and 8 ones. And then you're going to draw your 2 lines for your answer section here. Okay, so second step is we're going to take away the ones. So we've got 2 take away 8. Well, we can't do that because if we've got 2, we can't take 8 away from it. So we're going to go next door, okay, to the tens column, and we're going to steal a 10. So that goes down to 0 tens now, and we've stolen a 10. So we've got 12 take away 8 now, which we can do, which is 4. Okay, then I've got 0 tens take away 5 tens. That's my second step. So 0 tens take away 5 tens. We can't do that because if we've got no tens, we can't take 5 away from it. So we're going to need to go next door again. So this time it's to the hundreds column. Okay, and we're going to exchange. So that will go down to 200, and we now have 10 tens here in the tens column. So we've got 10 take away 5. So now we've got 10 tens take away 5 tens, which we can do, which will leave us with 5 tens. Again, making sure you lined up your answers there. And then now if we go to the hundreds, we know we're only left with 200 because we exchanged. So we've got 200 or 200s take away no hundreds because there's nothing there underneath. Okay, so that stays as 200. So our answer is 254. So we're going to write that back in